Hi and welcome to this video. Today we're going to look at 10 styles. I found 10 created images on Midjourney and we're going to take a closer look at the styles, what the creators used. So you will be able to recreate the same image style. So these are the 10 images that I collected for this week. I will do a similar video every week and we're just going to start with the first image and we'll take a look what the image prompt basically is. So if you go into your Midjourney account, you will have the opportunity to see all the prompts. So you can make the image bigger. You have the opportunity to copy. Here you see the full command, the prompt, the job ID. You can open it, you can save it, you can follow the person who actually created it. And what we're going to do today is we're going to look at what the image prompt was actually here. And here you see it's created by using, I guess that should be gorgeous, beautiful new girl models for body, leg. So it's basically a prompt you would use for a model, but then he included here Indian feathered hat with wolf. So this was created, and if you want to see what the original image was, so the variations of the image, you can take a closer look and see the variations of the image, and then one of the images they used to upscale it. What you can do at this point is you could just go ahead here, copy the full command, then go back to your Midjourney account and just copy and paste the full command over here. Of course, you still have to use the /imagine and then just have a look what is being created. It will probably not be the exact same image, but you will see it is very close. And if you look here, I already started to create some images and it's pretty close and you have to play around a little. You see here in this prompt that the wolf is actually on the side and it's not covering or it's not on her head. So this is one of the differences, of course. So you can take this and create the same image style, and then I would recommend you to play around a little. If I go back to the Midjourney account, you have always the opportunity to go in the community feed and see a lot of upvoted images, and you can pick from them. But I will go to my bookmarks again. I will go to the 10 we're going to look at today. So this is pretty easy image prompt. The next one I want to show you is because I think the style is really nice. This style I want to show you. So the image prompt here is exotic instruments, lo-fi styled music studio man with guitar, white background, green lines, cinematic light. So the light is important here. It's a cinematic light. And large painting on the wall. So you see all the paintings here on the wall. Hyper-realistic, high contrast. This is why we're getting this nice colors here. Tone mapping, insanely detailed and intricate. Hyper-maximalist, elegant speakers, piano, drums, music producer, man with guitar, film grain, comic book style, moody. So it's very nice, and you can again see what the other 4 versions have been for this image, and then he decided to upscale one of them. Again, you can go ahead and just copy the prompt and copy the prompt in here. We're not going to do that. I just go back to my personal bookmarks and you could just copy it out. This I found a very interesting one, as he made this man holding the image of the man in the photo, and also this guy here almost looks like this. So what was the image prompt for that? And you always see the creators here, Whitehorn in this example, who created that. I didn't create that. So you can follow these guys because they really have a very nice style. So what they did is, it's interesting how he structured the prompt, so it's much more organized. A coloring book page, simply outline of a aerial wide shot view of the detailed interior of a coffee shop with many customers in the style of anime. So this is talking about the picture, a man with a white facial hair standing in line to buy a coffee in the style of anime details. So this is still that detailed face and detailed hands in the style of anime to coloring book page text, shading, shadow, black color. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm not sure actually how he made this. Probably he uploaded this to, I'm not sure if he made that with Midjourney. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments, because from all the prompts, I just see that he maybe have been creating this 3 images, but I can't really see how he would have been able to generate this image actually. The next one we're gonna look at will be this one. And it's a really nice style. And the style it's used for that is Isomatic. An isomatic, nostalgic 80s nerd bedroom. So if you want to create this quarter or this isometric images, you just use the isometric word inside of your prompt. And if you look at the others that have been created here, you will see they are all pretty nice and pretty compact. So it's like 1 pixel would be filled by everything. Another one I found here I really liked was this dinosaur motorcycle, what it is. Highly defined photographic style of Lara Croft riding a dinosaur, Polaroid. So it's interesting here, the AI made like a motorcycle on a dinosaur. And also you can really nicely see the Polaroid. So the Polaroid for the younger audience was this camera where you made the photographs and it came out already. And Lara Croft is here in the picture. It's not a very good shot, I would say, but it's pretty nice. So let's look at the other versions that came out. You see here, these are other versions. So the next thing we're gonna look at, I found this warrior that I really like. And the prompt looks like a samurai, but in a pretty modern style. It also looks like a gun. So character, futuristic post-apocalyptic desert security force, peacekeeper, open desert, wide angle, futuristic weapon, energetic relief, cinematic HDR 8K. So you saw this generated this image, and we have another image here. It's also pretty nice. If you make it more detailed, almost looks like this person was in a fire, some kind of fire. You also can look at this one. Also pretty good. So again, there's a lot of information that you can take out of that and use in your image prompt. So I go back to my favorite ones for this week, and we click on the nice lady here and have a look how that was created. Portrait shot of beautiful girl, amazing makeup, highly detailed photograph, Sony Alpha Canon 5D, Fujifilm X-T100. So again, there's a lot of details, probably some photographer put that in. So Pink Josie seems to be having a lot of knowledge about photography. And this was basically created with this image prompt. So if you want to create something similar like that, you can just go ahead, copy the full command, go back to your Midjourney account and just try it out. Another thing I found, what I saw, it's pretty nice is this style, if you like that style. I'm not sure how to pronounce this style. It's Fauvism style, coastline, cinematic light. So it must be some kind of artist that is painting in this kind of style. And if you look at the other images, they're also pretty nice, I would say. And he used the top left one to upscale. Then I found this Stormtrooper modification here that I also think is pretty nice. And if you look at how Atlas created this, was Stormtrooper as a vintage punk samurai, dark gray background, blue and golden details. And what else is important here would be the hyper details, 8K, beautiful lighting, art station by James Jane. I'm not sure what that is. We can look that up. So there's a lot of artists or art inside I've never heard. 8K resolution, clear shape, defined shape, full body. So to get a full body image like that, it's not the full body, but it's the upper part of the body. He put in like the full body, defined shape. And you see it's pretty good. It's a pretty nice thing happening here. So to check it out, maybe we just click on here and see what else is coming up with the hashtags, but I can't find anything else coming up with these hashtags. So I just go back to my bookmarks and we gonna take a look at, I think it's one more. Yeah, here it's one more. And it's a sticker creation. I like the 3D style of the stickers. It's made by Dark, a sticker set of cute illustrations of detail objects, cozy. So it's really interesting what she created here, or he. And if you look at the details, it's pretty nice 3D stickers that you could just print out and stick on your fridge. So I hope that was useful, and I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.